Ecstasy Crafts offers an impressive range of card making and paper craft supplies that will bring your next creative project to life. You will be inspired by a wide selection of products, including supplies for paper crafting, card making, scrapbooking, DIY home decor, fabric art, mixed media design, and more. We offer over 12,000 products, including cutting dies, stamps, stencils, high-quality papers, inks, paints, fabric dyes, stickers, journals, and a large selection of canvas and burlap products to help you create the perfect gift, greeting card, scrapbook page, or unique piece of art for your own home. Whether you want to scrapbook the perfect memory with your paper craft supplies or create and sell your own unique designs, Ecstasy Crafts has the tools and materials to help. Please visit ecstasycrafts.com to see our unique and impressive selection of paper craft supplies, or call toll-free at 1-888-288-7131 today.